This is such amazing view over here. Hi guys, good afternoon, good morning. It's me again, Tinzkie Chinita, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am here in this beautiful view. I always see this for most of the time. I mean, I always passing this side and I was amazed how it looks like, how nice the view, how fresh in here. And so you can see at my background, this place is very accessible. It's just in the main road. You just can, all you have to do is to take the bus, of course, and exactly in this area there's a bus stop. You can enjoy sitting down here. This view, oh my god, wait, wait, let me do this. Yes, like this, yeah, but I don't like this because it makes me dizzy. Don't do this. Don't do this. Oh my god. Hello, my friend. Hello. So I don't know exactly where am I going to. I just wanted to know what is this place, which I haven't been as always. So this vlog is all about exploring and finding out what other places here in Malta that for me it's new. I started with my vlog and I would like to share with you how beautiful Malta is. I am not scared on my own. I have you, so why should I, right? It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and it's freaking hot and I'm walking. I don't know what am I going to do, and I don't have water with me. Oh my god, I'm thirsty and there's no other way to get water from here. Oh, you know what, if you go further I find some places to sit down. Okay, so this is it. So yeah, this is like a small park for the children and for the elderly people, for sure that they can sit down, have some fresh air. What is that over there? So I think this is cool because you have this beautiful view at the back in my background, and especially in the afternoon when you go around for a walk or for your exercise, this is a pretty good place to hang out, especially for children, and of course if you do something else. And you have stairs to go down, I presume. Yes, there. Stairs to go down. Let's just find out what else do we go. I feel free. I feel free. It's so good to be like this. without any mask or lasers, you know. And you have this fresh air, and you have this amazing view on the back. I just want like this, you know, it's so fresh. Well, but if there's someone, you know, passing and there's someone next to you, you have to be careful. You still have to put your mask back and take it off if you think you feel free. Take it off if there's nobody, right? So, as you see those cars passing, that's the main road connected to Bormarad and Bujiba Nashar, not Nashar, sorry, Bujiba Aura. And if you go to Chirkewa, where you take the ferry going to Gozo. Let's go forward. Let's check it out over there. Oh my god. How do I go? Oh my god. All my bags are packed and I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside the door. There's no door. Taxi's waiting up to say goodbye. So kiss me and smile for me. Da, 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 da.
Wow naman! Wow!
Let's keep going. I'm really so thirsty, but I would like to do something. Let me just go over there and it's all filled. And see how it looks like. It's really so hot. I never imagined myself doing it. I'll be tan already. My back, my head, my neck, everything. But the good thing is that I am free without my mask. Not in the public though. But it's fine. It's just so fine. That's good. Malta is still in a safer place to walk around. Not 100%, but better than the other countries. Oh, the best thing is that you can sit down also over here because you have trees and you have bench. Let me show you. Yes, right? There are some benches over that area. I don't want to go further up. Okay, I don't want to go further up. And now the sun is on my face. Is there any way to go back without facing my face on the sun? I wish to have more trees here in Malta, like these places. You know, it will help for the environment, nature. Try to love the nature. So guys, that's all for today, and I hope you had a good time with me, enjoying the view, enjoying the place and enjoying my company. I don't think so. But I would like to say thank you everybody for watching, and please don't forget to like, to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and see you to my next vlog. Thank you. Ciao.